Going to look at rounding of decimals. Round to 2 decimals, look at the third decimal to decide. If the third decimal is between 0 and 4, you round down. If the third decimal is between 5 and 9, you round up. In the first number, the second decimal is a 5, the third decimal is a 6, so 6 is between 5 and 9, so the 5 increases with 1, so the answer becomes 7.86. In the second number, the second decimal is a 1, the third decimal is a 2, so the 1 stays the same, and the answer is 4.31. Here, round to 1 decimal. Now you look at the second decimal to decide. If the second decimal is between 0 and 4, you round down. The second decimal is between 5 and 9, you round up. In the first number, the first decimal is a 8, second decimal is a 5, so the 8 increases with 1, and it becomes 7.9. In the second number, the first decimal is a 3, the number next to the 3 is a 1, so the 1 is between 0 and 4, and the 3 stays the same, and the answer is 4.3. Here we round to a whole number. Look at the first decimal to decide. If the first decimal is between 0 and 4, the whole number stays the same. If it's between 5 and 9, the whole number increases with 1. In the first number, the 7 is the whole number or the unit. The first decimal is 8, so the 7 increases with 1 and becomes 8. In the second number, the whole number or the unit is a 4. The first decimal is a 3. The 3 is between 0 and 4, so the 4 stays the same. And the answer becomes 4. If you want more exercises about rounding off, go to mathsmartafrica.org.